Namaste friends. Today I am going to talk about Sahaj Bhav Asana. So what it means? It means Sukshma Vyayam, or we can say warm up. So why do we do that? It is very important to do before any kind of exercise or yoga asanas. Because if you are going to stretch your body suddenly, then it may injured or your muscle can get injured. So we have to do warm up before doing any exercise so that our muscles can get to know that they are going to stretch further. So do warm up before any exercise so that your muscles are safe. Warm up is a way to make ready your body for further exercise or for intense workout. So when you do warm up, your body temperature goes up and your joints, all muscles loosen up, and you can not have any injury if you do warm up. So it makes your body ready to do any kind of movement, and your body gets lot of oxygen when we do warm up and loosen up all the muscles and every joint so that you'll not have any kind of injury. It's really very good if you are doing warm up before any exercise. So before going into warm-ups, let's see some contraindications and limitations of warm-up. If you have inflammation in your joints or any kind of injury, do not perform for some time, or you can go very slow according to your body. If you have excessive pain in your joints or excessive pain when you are stretching, do not stretch too much. Do not go beyond your limits. Just try to see where is your good pain and where is your bad pain. Whenever bad pain is coming, do not stretch that much. Limit yourself to good pain. And if you have any infection, do not do warm-ups as well, because if you do warm-ups, that infection can spread up. That's why take a doctor's advice before performing any kind of exercise or warm-ups. So now let's see how to perform warm-ups. Namaste everyone. Let's start with warm-ups. Clasp your fingers and keep it near your groin. Now we'll start with neck. Stretch your neck upward. Now chin to the chest. Now do it one more time. Look at the ceiling. Now chin to the chest. Now bend your neck towards right side. Come in the center towards left side. Give a nice stretch to your neck. Shoulders are relaxed. And do it one more time. Right. And then left side. Come in the center. Now we will look at our right side. Now left side. Give a nice stretch. Right side. And look at now left side. Come in the center. Now take 1 feet distance between your feet and take your hands, clasp fingers in front of your chest and stretch outward. Now from inside out. Now come back and then outside in. Do it one more time and you will feel the stretch on your shoulder blades. Try to feel the stretch. Yes, now just relax. Now take your hands upward. Now from inside out. Now bend towards your right side. Give a nice stretch to your waistline. Now to the left side. Do it one more time. Right side. And then left side. You will feel the stretch near your waistline. Now relax. Now we will twist our back. Now twist towards your right side. Give a nice twist. Now left side. We are giving nice twist to your spine. Right side. Come in the center. Now left side. So these are the spinal twist. So you have stretched your spine. Now let's start with shoulder rotation. From front to back, rotate it fully. Give a nice stretch to your shoulders. Now from back to front, anti-clockwise. Give nice movement to your shoulders. Now relax. Now we will rotate our waist. Take 2 feet distance between your feet. Now rotate your waist in clockwise direction. Rotate it fully, only the lower body. Now in anti-clockwise. Yes. Rotate it fully so that your muscles are knowing that they are going to stretch further. Now feet are together. We will rotate our knees. Rotate your knees in clockwise direction and then in anti-clockwise direction. They will lubricate your knees. Now your feet, stretch your feet. Yes, now rotate your feet in clockwise direction and then in anti-clockwise direction. Same with the other leg. Stretch, relax, stretch, relax, stretch, relax, and then rotate it in clockwise direction and then in anti-clockwise direction. So awareness is very important. Now we will give nice stretch to our back. Just take your back parallel to the ground. Knees, heels are together and hamstrings are straight. So you are stretching your hamstrings as well as your back. Now just relax and do it one more time. And this time engage your core. If you will engage your core, you will get lot of benefits. Now relax and namaste. Now let me know how you are feeling while doing warm up, and if you are doing warm up, your exercise or your stretching is increasing or not. Let me know in the comment box. Now let me tell you some benefits which we are getting through warm-ups. It improves your performance. If you are stretching, it will take you little further if you are doing warm-up before doing any kind of stretching. It prevents injuries. So you will not have any kind of injury if you are performing warm-ups before any kind of exercise or stretchings. Increase a movement of blood and oxygen into your tissues, and that is very beneficial for any kind of stretching or exercise. Increase nutrients as well to your muscles, and it makes your body ready for further stretch. It prevents a rapid change in your blood pressure. As we have seen that there are a lot of benefits of warm-ups. So do perform warm-up before going into any kind of exercise or yoga or stretching. So you will go in a deeper state of any kind of exercise, or you will benefit a lot from your exercise or yoga. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel for the next coming videos, and share with your friends and family so that they can have this beautiful knowledge about warm-up, as well as they can perform it better and they can go beyond their limits also. Thank you so much. Namaste. You can perform all the warm-ups for at least 4 to 5 rounds so that your muscles are ready to stretch or exercise further for better living. Thank you.